Fixed messenger call did not answer problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, on the Play Store application on your device and search for Messenger just to make sure you have an updated version of the Messenger application. And as you search for it, here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Messenger application. So now we can simply launch the settings application of the device and simply scroll down and tap on apps. Select on Manage Apps over here and tap on the search bar to search for Messenger application directly from the search bar. And it might take a while, so let's wait for a few seconds until it pops the app for us. And then tap on it and simply select on the Clear Data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the Clear Cache option and then tap on OK. And as you do that, you can relaunch Messenger application and this might definitely help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.